Hi kids, let's meet the farm animals. Let's go.
Hey, it's a horse. It's a cow. It's a pig. It's a sheep. It's an ox. It's a donkey. It's a goat. It's a llama. It's a turkey. It's a duck. It's a goose. It's a chicken.
Hi kids, let's go and meet the sea animals.
Seal. Otter. Squid. Turtle. Jellyfish. Shrimp. Eel. Lobster. Dolphin. Shark. Whale. Fish. Octopus. Starfish. Seahorse. Crab.
Thank you kids for joining us again in this wonderful learning adventure. See you next episode. Bye-bye.